Take a look at this, because it's going to be the last time you ever see it looking this bad. Okay, so that was the dramatic install of the R6's pilot light. It's footage that I've had for quite a while. I actually installed it at the end of last year, but I never found a video that the footage would fit nicely into. And at the end of the R6 makeover series, I still hadn't received the light or put it in. So since we're just doing stickers on the R1 today, I thought it would be a good video to put the footage in. But to find out where we are going now, we have to go back to the past. So a few episodes back when I wrapped the R1, I wrapped it with one idea in mind: to make it look fairly similar to the 1998 R1, the red and white one. I know ours is a 2000, but the red and black that the 2000 came in is ugly, and I really like the 98. So that is what I went for, and we got something similar, just with a stripe down the middle instead of red seats. But it is missing one key feature. So I have ordered stickers to make it look more genuine, more like Yamaha, but not exact. This is the bike that I got the inspiration for the wrap from, but obviously we have the red stripe, as I said, without the seats. But ours is still looking bland, so I've ordered vinyl to be cut to get stickers like these, to make it look more like a Yamaha, but not exact, because ours is unique. One thing that I really like is this sort of Japanese style YZF logo. I think some people won't like it, but I personally do. So I ordered that, but without the black shadow. So that's going to be red. I got the Yamaha here. The Yamaha for the mudguard, but mine will be in black. X up. I didn't get Delta box because I'm not a huge fan of that sticker. And R1 for the tail, but also all in black. Okay, so let's grab some stickers for the R1. My stickers were ready and they look pretty cool. Here's a sneak peek of just the YZF in red. And then let's go home and I'll show you the other ones. Don't spike my tires! And this is what the R1's graphics look like back in the garage. Here is our Japanese style YZF. It doesn't have the shadow because it's unique like our R1 wrap is. Then we've got tank Yamaha, tail R1, solid black, not red and black, because I think it'll look cool like this next to the red stripe down the tank. X up, because for some reason people seem to like that there are X up valves, so we're going to advertise that. And Yamaha for right here on the front mudguard. Every piece of the bike has been wrapped, so the stickers are ready to go on, and I cannot wait to see what it'll look like with stickers. We get to use our wrap prep spray again because it's been sitting in the garage so long the bike is now dusty. I do only have one of every sticker, so I can't mess this up, but I'm hoping that it is easier than wrapping the bike. It should be. I cut them all out, and I think I'm going to start with X up because I want to start with something easy just to get the hang of how it works. And the X up should be pretty easy because it's on a relatively flat surface and goes around here. So first I'm going to clean the area with my vinyl prep spray. And I think I'm going to try and get it between these two bolts and following this line so that it looks straight to that. We obviously don't have the Delta box sticker, so this is a bit bigger to compensate. Next, we've got to peel the backing off so that the vinyl sticks to the front piece. And there we go, now the sticky side is exposed. And now I need to try and line this up perfectly without messing it up. I may have messed that up, it doesn't look straight here, but we're pressing it down anyway because there's no getting it up after that. And that is why I started with an easy one. So that is how these vinyl stickers are put on, and now I'm going to get to the rest of them. That is all the easy ones put on, and now the next ones are going to be more difficult. There's less lines to line these up with, and to get them the same on each side is going to be a challenge. So we've got the tank and then the R1 to put around the tail, which is going to be pretty difficult because it's really round. I decided to mark off where the Yamaha logos are going to go on the tank on each side so that it is as symmetrical as it could possibly be. So now if I line up the corner with the masking, it follows the body line of the tank, and that way it should be the same on each side. The other side looks identical. If I line up the corner of the sticker with the corner of the masking, it follows the body line, same as the other side. The Yamaha is my favorite by far. The way it goes from red to white to black is just perfect. I love the retro Yamaha, where it physically says Yamaha, there's no logo. I'm really glad we did this stripe. It came out beautifully. But to be honest, it all came out beautifully. I absolutely love the Yamaha on the red mudguard. The X-Up is cool like the original bike was. The only thing I have to get used to is the YZF without the shadow. I don't know if that was the right call, but it breaks up the white and it actually looks quite nice. These graphics were exactly what the wrap was missing. It really finishes off the wrap and the bike as a whole, and when I pictured the bike it wasn't even this good, so I'm very happy with how it turned out. And we didn't even leave the R6 out today. It finally got to show off its new pilot light, which looks amazing, and it also got some new graphics on the mudguard. But anyway, that is it for this week. We didn't do a hell of a lot, but in my opinion it makes a huge difference. I'm really happy that we are finally at a point where we can get some Yamaha branding on the bike and make it look more like a real motorbike. I am really excited because the first few rides on this R1 are coming up very soon. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you are subscribed, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button like it's your starter button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.